Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy coin in Trust Wallet. So in order to buy coin in Trust Wallet, you have to watch this video till the end and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Also make sure that your account is verified. Now then, to proceed on with the video, you need to go ahead and log in into your Trust Wallet account, enter in your passcode, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Here, go ahead and select the coin that you wish to proceed on or that you wish to buy. And when you select the coin, then you need to go ahead and select the buy button from the top. As you do that, enter in the exact amount of coins that you wish to buy. And next page, you need to go ahead and enter in your payment source as well. Once done confirming your payment source, tap the confirm button in order to proceed on to the buy section, and once again go through it and confirm it, and that's how you can buy coin in Trust Wallet. So that is how you can buy coin in Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.